Deep within the heart of the ancient city of Sinosura, a secret code known as the Whispering Cipher held the key to untold mysteries. Legend had it that this code, etched into the city's oldest monuments, was a pathway to a hidden realm of wisdom and power. The story began with a young historian named Amelia, who stumbled upon an ancient manuscript in the city's archives. Intrigued by its cryptic symbols and obscure language, she soon realized she had uncovered the Whispering Cipher, a code believed to unlock the door to an ancient sanctuary. As Amelia delved into the enigmatic symbols, she discovered that the code wasn't merely a sequence of letters and numbers, but a complex fusion of language, mathematics, and celestial alignments. Guided by her insatiable curiosity, she enlisted the help of a brilliant mathematician, Victor, and a linguistics expert, Alara, to unravel the mysteries within the Whispering Cipher. Their quest led them through hidden chambers and forgotten libraries, where each encoded message revealed a fragment of the city's rich history. The Whispering Cipher, they soon realized, was a guardian of knowledge, protecting the city's ancient secrets from those unworthy of their wisdom. As the trio deciphered the code, they uncovered tales of forgotten civilizations, lost technologies, and the untapped potential within the human spirit. It became apparent that the Whispering Cipher wasn't just a means to access a hidden sanctuary, but a guide to unlocking the dormant capabilities of the mind. However, the journey was not without challenges. A secretive group known as the Obsidian Circle, aware of the trio's discoveries, sought to claim the power of the Whispering Cipher for themselves. The race against time intensified as Amelia, Victor, and Alara deciphered the final piece of the code, revealing the entrance to the hidden sanctuary. With the Obsidian Circle closing in, the trio entered the concealed chamber, where an otherworldly glow emanated from an ancient pedestal. As they spoke the final incantation embedded in the Whispering Cipher, the room resonated with energy, and the sanctuary unveiled itself, a place where knowledge merged with the cosmic forces. In that luminous chamber, the trio gained insights beyond imagination. The Whispering Cipher, far from being a mere code, was a bridge between the material and the ethereal, a testament to the limitless potential of the human intellect. United in their purpose, Amelia, Victor, and Alara vowed to protect the ancient knowledge and ensure that the Whispering Cipher remained a force for enlightenment, not exploitation. And so, in the heart of Sinosura, the ancient city whispered its gratitude. The Whispering Cipher, once a guarded secret, had found guardians in the trio who understood that true power lay not in its secrecy, but in the wisdom it bestowed upon those who sought it with pure hearts and open minds.